Right then, big news in the world of salads and silicone. Sweetgreen has officially sold its Spyce robotics division to Wonder Group for a hefty $1.86.4 billion. Yes, nearly $200 million for robots that make bowls. Welcome to the future. Spyce was created in 2015 by a group of MIT engineers who decided that the world needed automated food assembly, because assembling grain bowls manually simply wasn't sciencey enough. Sweetgreen bought Spyce in 2021 for about $70 million, shut down the original restaurants and focused on developing their now famous Infinite Kitchen, an automation system that builds your lunch with precision that would make a Swiss watch nervous. Today, it's already running in more than 20 Sweetgreen locations across the United States. But Sweetgreen has had to navigate shifting economic winds. So selling Spyce brings in $100 million in cash, plus Wonder stock worth $86.4 million. That gives Sweetgreen room to streamline operations, boost profitability, and continue rolling out Infinite Kitchens nationwide. Wonder, led by Mark Law, will take over Spyce engineering team and integrate the new Infinite Kitchen into its own mission, creating tech-powered kitchens capable of running dozens of restaurant concepts, all from compact robotic hubs. Here's why this matters to you, whether you order salads, burgers, tacos, or anything in between. Fast food. Robots don't get tired, distracted, or stuck chatting at the counter. More accurate orders. No more "I asked for no onions" situations. Low cost over time. Automation eventually means more affordable meals. More restaurant choices in more places, from small towns to busy cities. This deal accelerates a future where high quality, consistent, affordable food can be made anywhere, anytime, by kitchens the size of shipping containers, powered by robotics. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.